Start.
Sir,
Yes.
my story is milk. Sir,
No
Sir,
problem.
milkmaid, sir.
Any story you are telling in English, that's great actually. The whole world can see your story. Go ahead.
Sir, in English only.
Yes,
Once
good.
upon a time, a milkmaid is walking through with a pot of large milk, and she have good thoughts. And she have one thought: if I sell this.
Go ahead. Good. Go ahead.
So first to say.
Yes, you may. Yes, you may tell.
So first to say.
Yes, go ahead. Tell.
Once upon a time, a milkmaid is walking with a large pot of milk, and she is thinking that if I sell this milk, how much money I will get, and when with this money, what I should buy. Like that, she have thoughts, and she came one thought, and she is dreaming like this: if I sell this milk, how much money should I get? And with this money, I will buy so many chicks. Like that, she thought, and I will sell. If they are grown, I will sell at a good price. She thought, and second thought, she thought that, and I buy with this money 2 young goats, and with 2 young goats, if they are grown, I will sell at a better price. She thought. Again, with this money only, I buy a cow, and I will, and I buy a cow, and it is also gives milk, and I will have so much money with this another cow. Like that, she stank, and she suddenly skipped and jumped, and suddenly she fall down, and all milk fell down, and she sat down and cried lot. She cried lot of.
Okay,
Sir,
your
over.
story completed. Okay, what's the moral of the story? This go on thinking about all the things. What's the moral of
Sir,
this?
our dreaming.
Always thinking about these all things means if you go on thinking about all unnecessary things while doing work, means the work will be wasted. Okay, we can't do any work properly. We have to focus, the laser sharp focus. Only we can take inspiration from eagle. Laser sharp focus. We must focus 110 200% only on that work.
Sir,
only. Yes.
Sir, if we do one thing, means we should focus on that thing only.
Yeah,
Should
that's
not
the moral of story. Yes, good. We should not distract, and we should not should not even think about anything. Okay, in our home also, about our home also, about our parents also. Yes, good. Wonderful story. Right. So after she's gone thinking about, I will get money from those milk, I will get from money those after buying the goats. These all things she thought about getting lot of money. But at the end of thinking her, at the end of the day, what happened? Those all milk was fallen away. Okay, due to she's gone thinking about these things, and she forgotten how to handle that milk pot. Okay, that milk pot was fallen down. Okay, good, wonderful story. Yes, right.
Sir.
Wait a minute. Yes. Yeah.
Shall I start?
Yes, start.
Once upon a time, there was a man, David. He was never wasted his time. He was practicing whistling. Very soon, he became good shooting stones with his sling. One day, he heard giants cry. The giant name was Goliath. He was 10 feet tall. He told to his king, I would fight with Goliath. The king told okay to David. David first shoot his stone with the giant's forehead. On the giant's forehead, the giant was fallen down. The David ran and going to the giant. He took out his knife and cut the giant's head.
Okay. So what's the moral of the story? Why he cut with his knife? Unmute fastly.
Sir, Pattudala.
Yeah, determination is most important. So you tell me why he is cutted with his knife. Another person.
Sir,
Who told?
because he was giant, sir. He told the people after
Okay.
his.
Yes. Okay. So moral of the story is the determination is most important. Means the eagerness, the most that's wanting, desire to learn something. Okay. Next, who is ready to tell without seeing? Storytelling. Lakshmi Prasanna. Yes. Unmute yourself.
Sir, I'm ready to with seeing only, sir.
Okay, with seeing. Okay. You wait. If the people who are ready to tell without seeing, I will take their first and then I will continue. Is there any stories? Okay, no. Okay, you get ready, children. Try everyone. Everyone must try. Okay, right. I will share the screen now. Wait a minute. This I have. Share screen optimizer. Share sound. Yes. Okay. So what is the topic name? Which one you prepared? Unmute fastly.
Sir, what is your family? 22nd lesson.
Is there any person who prepared first one? If you prepared first one, you show
Sir?
your first one who is ready. First chapter. Don't change the world, change yourself. Don't change the world, change yourself. It's the easiest one, actually. Maybe exam date will come on August 7, actually announced. Maybe in August 7, but it's not confirmed. But some dates were released to press, but it's not confirmed by officials. You don't take it serious. But okay, I understood. Exam date may be in the August 7th. So you be serious, children, okay? Still, no one sent me with the analysis. No one sent me the solution. No one sent me the why they went wrong, why their answers went wrong. Okay, right, okay. Leave this. So this it's a wonderful story, actually. But she is ready with which chapter? Chapter number?
Sir, what?
The
22.
family. 22. 22. Okay, 22 page number 14. Okay, maybe in the 15. True wealth, a whole. Page number 15, no?
Yes,
Where
sir.
is family, father, this one only?
Yes, sir.
From
Sir,
where it is starting? Oh, it's a big one you chosen. Okay, good. Right. Go ahead.
What is a family? A man came home from work late. A man came from home work late. Sir, not looking.
You wait for 10 seconds, but you don't repeat the sentence. You try to explain, okay? Not only Lakshmi, Prasanna, everyone in the class, okay? You try to create your own. Don't go on reading this total again, 2 times. It's within one time only it will be understood perfectly, okay? These all are easiest passages. You can tell without seeing also this. But okay, now you are, go ahead first.
Tired and irritated to find his 5 years old son waiting for him at the door. Son, Daddy, may I ask you a question? Dad, yeah, sure. What is it? Replied the man. Son, Daddy, how much do you make an hour? Dad, that's none of our business. What do you ask such a thing? The man said angrily. Son, I just want to know. Please tell me, how much do you make an hour? Dad, if you must know, I make 20 an hour. Oh, the little boy replied with his head down. Looking up, he said, Daddy, may I please borrow 10 rupees?
$10.
Son,
This is dollar. This is a
$10.
symbol named dollar. For $1, 70 rupees. This is US price. US dollar. United States
Yes,
dollar. Indian rupees. Will tell. Indian standard rupees. ISR. Okay, go ahead. Fast. See
Sir,
this.
up. Not looking. Sir, up.
Yes. Fastly.
Okay,
Read
sir.
fast.
The
Yes.
father was for years. If the only reason you ask it, that is so you can borrow some money to buy a silly toy or some other nonsense, then you march yourself straight to your room and go to bed. Think about why you are being so selfish. I work hard every day for such this childish behavior.
Childish
The
behavior means children like behavior.
the little boy quietly went to his room and shut the door. The man sat down and started to give even angrier about the little boy's question. How dare he ask such question only to get some money? After about an hour or so, the man had calmed down and started to think maybe there was something he really needed to buy with the $10 and really didn't ask for some ask for money very often. The man went to the door of the little boy room and opened the door. Are you asleep, son? He asked. No, daddy, I am wake up, replied the boy. I have been thinking maybe I was too hard on you earlier, said the man. It's been a long day and I took out my aggravation on you. Here's the $10. Here the $10 you asked for. The little boy sat straight up, smiling. Oh, thank you, Daddy, he yelled. Then, reaching under his pillow, he pulled out some crumbled up bills. The man, seeing that boy already had money, started to get angry again. The little boy slowly counted out his money and then looked up at his father. Why do Why do you, sir? Why do you want more money if you already have some? The father grumbled. Because I didn't have enough, but now I do. The little boy replied. Daddy, I have $20 now. Can I buy an hour of our time? Please come home early tomorrow. I would like to have dinner with you. Sh- share this story with some you like. But even better, share $20 worth of time with some you love. It's just a short reminder to all you to all of you working work to all of you.
Listen, everybody carefully. I will ask some questions from this story. It's not a beautiful. It's not. It's not little bit beautiful story. It's a very extraordinary, amazing, very feel good story. Yes, go ahead. Fast. Amazing, wonderful story. This one.
$20 now. Can I buy an hour? Please come home early tomorrow. I would like to have dinner with you. Share this story with someone you like. But even better, share $20 worth of time with someone you love. It's just a short reminder to all of you working so hard in life. We should not let time slip through our fingers without having spent some time with those who really matter to us, those close to our hearts. If we die tomorrow, the company that are working for cloud is easily
Working for could
replace us
easily
in a
replace us
matter
in a
of
matter of days. If we die tomorrow, the company that
days.
we are working for could easily replace us in a matter of days. But the family and friends will live. Go ahead, fast. Time is running out of time.
But the
Fast.
family behind will feel the loss for the rest of their lives. And come to think of it, we pour ourselves more into work than to our family. And
Yes.
unwise investment in it. So what is the moral of the story? Don't work too hard, and you know what's the full word of family. Family, father and mother love you.
Father and mother, I love you. Okay. So it's such a wonderful story. This was. So could anyone explain without seeing this? Could anybody can explain without seeing this story? Or at least you tell me how many of you understood. You raise your hands. At least the person who studied Lakshmi Prasanna. Have you understood the story? That's why I told you to listen properly from first onwards. Okay, this listening also is important. While reading in the examination hall, you will listen to yourself. Okay, you will only read the passage, but who is listening your words? You only listening your words. You are reading. Okay, that's why the listening skills also most important. Listen properly, children. Okay, explain. Tell me the story. Could you tell me the story within short
Sir?
time? Could you tell me the story? Okay, you understood the story that you are telling now. Okay, have you
Yes,
understood
sir.
the story? Yes. Could you tell me the story
Yes, sir.
without seeing?
Sir, no.
Okay. So no one understood the story. Okay. So you have to read this type of wonderful story. It's not even moral. So first of all, I will tell within 1 minute and I will go through this once again. Or will take some more waiting now. What I have to do? Okay. What is the story actually? The conversation between father and son. First of all, son will ask father, what's your how you will what what's your earning? He will ask to his parent, the person, the children, the son will ask to his father, Father, could you please tell me how much you will earn for 1 hour? So father replied, I will earn $20 per hour. And that son asked, Father, please give me $10. He didn't ask it ever. He didn't ask it before any single rupee also, but the son asked his father, please give me $10. So he is very angrily, you will buy all those toys, chit chat, those all wasted things with the $10. $10 means for $1, 70 rupees in our Indian. Okay, 700 rupees. With that $10, what you will do? You will buy all those unnecessary things, unnecessary foods. His father, like that, his father replied. After that, what happened? Okay, that is son, what he done? If your parents won't give money, means what you will do? You go simply silently. If you feel what we'll call in Telugu alagadam, like this you will do now. You will feel somewhat and you will go into bedroom and you will sleep on the bed. Oh, okay, like that also the son went without telling anything. He went inside the room and he is lying on the bed. After that, what has happened means his father asked, what happened, child? Why you are asking me $10? He told. Then suddenly his father, what he is told, okay, he is by seeing his son, he given $10. After giving the $10, what happened means the father seen that inside his bed, near him, under his pillow or somewhere, he has a lot of money. Means some more $10 there with him. Okay. After seeing that $10, his father became very angry. You have already $10, means you have already 10 rupees. Again, why you are asking me 10 rupees? Like that, he scolded. After scolding, okay, that $20, what he has done? He has given to his father. Those including his $10, with his $10 and the $10 which he saved before, and $10 which he took from his father, those $20 he given to his father. Father, please take this $20 and please come 1 hour before. Okay, 1 hour before of your job. Means if before means 1 hour before. Okay, please come 1 hour before for our home, because I want to have dinner with you. Like this he told. Okay, this due to lockdown you are spending with your parents or you are spending with your siblings, but at that time this job will come, schools become, you don't have time to spend. Like that also he felt very unhappy. That's why he given that $20 to his father. Why he given $20? He is earning $20 per hour. Okay, that's why he given $20 to his father. And father, it's your 1 hour in 1 hour salary. You take this $20 because this is your 1 hour salary. Please come 1 hour before. Okay, he intentionally, he is a very sadly told. Okay, that's the story. So father felt very guilty. If you must know $20, where he is. So daddy, I have $20 now. Can I buy an hour of your time? He asking, he want to buy his hour of his time. Please come home early tomorrow. I would like to have dinner with you. Okay, that's the story. And he took that $20. He won't he take and he will come and he will again give those $20 to his son only. Okay, that's the story. So what you are doing, everyone, I think you are also very addicted towards mobile phone or cartoons. Okay, you are, everyone in the class, try to spend with your parents at least for 1 hour. They will tell you some jokes, ask some moral stories, or ask anything. Speak with them at least for 1 hour. Okay, that's the moral of the story. I will read it fastly and complete within 1 minute. Try to complete within 1 minute. Okay, wait. Such a wonderful story. After this class, everyone read this question. Okay, everyone in the class, you must read this. This is in the page number 14. It starts from page number 14. How many times do we miss God blessing because they are not packaged as an expert? No, it's not. Here it will start. What is a family? A man came home from work late, tired and irritated to find his 5 years old son waiting for at the door. Son asked, Daddy, may I ask you a question? Dad replied, yeah, sure. What is it? Replied the man. Son, Daddy, how much do you make an hour? How much do you make an hour in hour? Dad replied, that's none of your business. Why do you ask such a thing? The man said angrily, that's none of your business. Why do you ask such a thing? The man said angrily, son, I just want to know. Please tell me, how much do you make an hour? Dad replied, if you must know, I make $20 an hour. Oh, the little boy replied, with his head down, looking up, he said, oh, Daddy, may I please borrow $10? Means he's borrowing $10. Then father was furious. Furious means curious, like that. Okay, he's very eager to know that. He's very he felt very angrily. He told, he was very furious. Okay, if the only reason you asked that is so you can borrow some money to buy a silly toy or some other nonsense, then you march yourself straight to your room and you go to bed. So he asked, he told him to go to bed, like that. Think about why you are being so selfish. I work hard every day for such this childish behavior. So he's feeling very guiltily and telling his son to go away from me, and go straight, march yourself straight to your room and go to bed, go and sleep. After feeling very guilty, after feeling guilty by father, the little boy quietly went to his room and shut the door. The man sat down and started to get even angrier about the little boy's question, because he asked how much you earn now. Oh, then how dare he ask such a question only to get some money? To get some money, he asked my earning. That much dare he became, like that. He is thinking about him. After about an hour or so, the man had climbed down and started to think maybe there was something he really needed to buy with that $10. And he really didn't ask for money very often. Means he didn't ask it even very often, means sometimes he won't. In few times he asked in his, yeah, maybe there was something, maybe there was some, he's thinking and started to think. After about an hour, after 1 hour being in angry, the man had calmed down and started to think maybe there was something he really needed to buy with the $10. And he really didn't ask for money very often. The man went to the door of the little boy's room and opened the door. Are you asleep, son? He asked. No, Daddy, I am awake, replied the boy. I have been thinking maybe I was too hard on you earlier, said man. It's been a long day and I took out my aggravation on you. Here's the $10 you asked for. He given $10 for his son. The little boy sat straight up smilingly. Oh, thank you, Daddy. Hey, yelled. Then, reaching under his pillow, he pulled out some crumpled up bills. The man, seeing that the boy already had money, started to get angrily again. The little boy slowly counted out his money and then looked up at his father. Why do you want more money if you already have some? The father grumbled. Because I didn't have enough, but now I do, the little boy replied. Because I didn't have enough money, but now I do, the little boy replied. Daddy, I have $20 now. Can I buy an hour of your time? Please come home early tomorrow. I would like to have dinner with you. Share this story with someone who you like. Buy, but even better. Okay. Share this story with someone you like, but even better, share $20 worth of time with someone you love. It's just a short reminder to all of you working so hard in life. We should not let time slip through our fingers without having spent some time with those who really matter to us, those close to our heart, those close to our heart. Our father and mother were very close to our heart. If we die tomorrow, the company, means for job holders, it is telling, if we die tomorrow, the company that we are working for could easily replace us in a matter of days, but the family and friends we leave behind will feel the loss for the rest of their lives. Okay, if you are somebody, if one father is living till 40, if he passes away after, in 45 years, his friends will also in the 45 years only now, but they will lose those all 45 years. Friends will, if they live up to 100 years, so they are losing their friend for 55 years. That's why They are telling that, but the family and friends will leave. Friends we leave behind will feel the loss for the rest of their lives. And come to think of it, we pour ourselves more into work than to our family. An unwise investment indeed. So, what is the moral of the story? Don't work too hard, and you know what's the full word of family. Family, father and mother. I love you. Okay. So today time ran out. Remaining children, no need of worrying about this. So I hope everyone of you understood this story. What you have to do? You just in front of your camera, you practice this. Without seeing, you have to tell this story. You have to create your own. Just seeing this means what is your creativity? I need your creativity. Just seeing and telling is everyone can tell with seeing. Okay, in the examination hall, what will happen? Without seeing, you have to write all those things. Okay, that's why in the everyone will tell. I think some movie dialogues also will be there in the classroom. Everyone will tell the answers, but who will write in the examination hall? They will become toppers. Okay, so everyone will tell the answers in the examination hall. That movie from July movie. Okay, everyone that Allu Arjun's there now. So everyone can tell, anybody can tell answers in classroom, but who will write in the examination hall? They are great. Okay, everybody can read the passages. Anybody can understood. Anybody can learn from there, but you have to tell without seeing. That's your creativity. You have to show without seeing. You have to show your creativity. Okay, all you have to do is you have to click on the share and share to YouTube and upload that one. Understood? This meeting will end. After this, you can leave. You no need of joining again. So what you have to do? You are sharing to me now. Like that only. You are sharing to WhatsApp now. Like that only you share to YouTube. And in that after you will get upload in the top right corner. You click on the upload. That's all. Okay. I am waiting for your links. So this story, everyone, I will see your creativity and upload and send that link in the groups also. Okay, in our group. Okay, right. I'll see. You can do. You can rehearsal. You can